Ito ang gamit ko. Face cream, Cien product. I bought it in the Lidl. Q10 anti-wrinkle day cream. With Q10 hyaluronic acid and vitamin A for demanding skin. Essential protection throughout the day with UV protection. It helps minimize existing wrinkles and prevent the formation of new wrinkles. So, maganda ito pag ito ang gagamitin mo. So, this one, hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Tingnan natin. Ito siya, the same sealed pa. So, mayroon tayong sample kasi ito, ginagamit ko ito. $50 ml, made in Germany. So, ito siya. Ito ay ginagamit ko na. Nagamit ko na siya. Mabango siya. Mabango siya. It is a Lipton Intensive. Lipton Intensive. So this one is an active complex made from essential ingredients that helps to reduce the appearance of deep set wrinkles. Lipton Intensive can also help to prevent the formation of new wrinkles. So meaning, this one can prevent the formation of new wrinkles. So, maganda ito kasi pag medyo matanda ka na, kailangan natin ma-prevent yung mga wrinkles natin. Diba? Pag matanda tayo, may mga wrinkles na tayo. So, to prevent the formation of new wrinkles, apply this one at daytime. At may UV protection siya. So, it is also for anti-aging. So first you have to cleanse your face and neck, and then you have to kunti lang siya, and then massage it with your face gently. The whole face. Kunti lang talaga kasi kung tingnan ninyo. So, kunti lang ang hindi ito madaling maubos. Kasi kunti lang i-spread mo siya. At saka pwede ka nang mag-ano sa kahit nandoon ka sa araw, okay lang kasi may UV protection siya eh. So, ganito lang. So, ganito siya. Sa mukha. Ilagay mo ito sa mukha. So, every morning before you go out in the house, before you work, you can also use this one because this is anti-wrinkle day cream. So, ito siya. Ganito din ang mukha mo. So, maganda siya. At saka mabango din siya. Gaya ng aqua gel cream. Ginamit ko na din ito. Okay? So you can comment, you can ask question because I use this one. I can also recommend this one. I use this one usually I use this one pag summer. Kasi pag winter na dito, wala namang araw. Merong araw pero hindi masyadong mainit. At saka mabango siya. God bless you all. Kindly comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for another Cien product.